Crash course on Switzerland. Travel tips and itineraries. Switzerland, a land of stunning landscapes and captivating culture, awaits your visit. To make your journey smooth and memorable, here are some practical travel tips and exciting stories to ignite your wanderlust. Travel tips. 1. Swiss Rail Pass. Consider purchasing a Swiss Rail Pass for unlimited travel on the efficient and scenic Swiss train network. 2. Accommodation. Opt for cozy Swiss chalets, family-run guesthouses, or budget-friendly hostels to experience local hospitality. 3. Local transport. Use trams and buses in cities like Zurich and Geneva, or take boat cruises on picturesque Swiss lakes. 4. Try fondue. Indulge in the Swiss fondue experience, melting cheese served with bread for a heartwarming treat. 5. Cash and cards. While credit cards are widely accepted, keep some Swiss francs handy for small transactions. 6. Language. While many Swiss speak English, learn a few basic phrases in German, French, or Italian to enhance your interactions. 7. Switzerland's beauty. Capture the scenic beauty through your camera lens, but also take time to immerse yourself in the moment. Exciting stories. 1. The train to Jungfraujoch. Embark on a thrilling journey to Jungfraujoch, the top of Europe, where you'll be surrounded by majestic mountains and breathtaking glaciers. 2. A night at Matterhorn. Stay in the charming village of Zermatt, with the iconic Matterhorn Peak as your stunning backdrop. 3. Boat cruise on Lake Lucerne. Sail across Lake Lucerne, passing quaint villages and lush landscapes, while enjoying the mesmerizing views. Top 12 attractions of travel tips and itineraries in Switzerland. 1. Zurich. Start your adventure in Zurich, Switzerland's largest city, known for its cosmopolitan vibe and cultural delights. 2. Interlaken. Nestled between Lake Thun and Lake Brienz, Interlaken offers a gateway to the majestic Bernese Oberland. 3. Lucerne. Explore the enchanting city of Lucerne, with its charming old town and iconic wooden chapel bridge. 4. Geneva. Visit Geneva, the international city of diplomacy, and see the impressive Jet d'eau fountain. 5. Bern. Discover Bern, the Swiss capital, and wander through its well-preserved medieval old town. 6. Zermatt. Experience the alpine wonderland of Zermatt, with the towering Matterhorn as its centerpiece. 7. Montreux. Enjoy the scenic beauty of Montreux on the shores of Lake Geneva, famous for its jazz festival. 8. Jungfraujoch. Take an unforgettable train journey to Jungfraujoch, where you can marvel at the Alps Glacier. 9. Lake Geneva. Cruise on Lake Geneva, passing by elegant lakeside towns like Vevey and Lausanne. 10. Swiss National Park. Immerse yourself in the wilderness of the Swiss National Park, Europe's first national park. 11. Lausanne. Experience the youthful and vibrant atmosphere of Lausanne, home to the Olympic Museum. 12. Lugano. Relax in Lugano, a Mediterranean-like city nestled between the surrounding mountains. Summarizing this writing, Switzerland beckons with its natural wonders, vibrant cities, and enchanting culture. Take advantage of the efficient public transport, savor local delights like fondue, and immerse yourself in Switzerland's captivating beauty. And now, a poem to celebrate the magic of Switzerland. Amidst the Swiss Alps, a journey takes flight, where nature and culture harmoniously unite. From Zurich's city lights to Lucerne's charm, Switzerland's allure, a traveler's warm. Interlaken's lakes, a picture so serene. Geneva's diplomacy, a world to convene. Zermatt's Matterhorn, a majestic crown. Bern's old town, where history's sown. Jungfraujoch's splendor, a peak so high. Lausanne's youthful spirit, reaching the sky. Montreux's jazz notes, a melodic stream. Swiss National Park, nature's dream. With Swiss Rail Pass in hand, we roam. Through scenic landscapes, we'll call home. Switzerland's beauty, an endless delight. A symphony of sights, a traveler's light. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. AID equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support RN Hub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.